Guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, thanks for checking in. So I was AWOL for quite a long time, and because there was so much going on in our life right now, if you see, you can understand this looks quite different. The background quite looks different because we are not in India, we are in UK, and that is what going on from past I can say like 4 months. And now it's been 1.5 months we are in UK, and still settling in. It's not even, we are not even settled still now, but now the house and all everything is finalized, and today we just plan to roam little, and we are going to Oxford. So I'll give you a tour of Oxford, and I'll show you how everything looks like here. So say hi, Anish.
Hi.
It's Anish, and this is Trishan. So yeah, we are going to take bus now. I'll show you once the bus arrives. Here is the bus we are going to take. Thank you.
Crowd now today. It's fully like a fabric basically. Market.
So this is Oxford in weekend. So I daily travel on this route, but very rare I see this much people. But because today is weekend and many people are out because of it's a good climate, sunny, no? So that's why. This is the Oxford inside street. It's too crowded today. Which one? Yes, yes. Oh, okay. So many people are there today on the road. We're just planning to go to Oxford Museum today and see how beautiful the architects here. Just enjoy the walk with us. The temperature also good for roaming. Actually, Oxford is basically a tourist spot, so almost like weekends will be like this, very much crowded. But this Monday is a spring festival, so people have like 3 days of leave in one stretch: Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So everybody is out. Isn't it beautiful? Okay. Hustle and bustle of Oxford. very much pet lovers. So many people you can see with pets. So we came here almost 1.5 months already, but we not got any time or opportunity to roam in Oxford because we had to just, you can understand, like settling up our life over here, taking life from India and coming and settling here. It's a big task. So you can say like this is the second weekend. We are like in a peace of mind and we don't have much to do in home. So we thought, okay, let's just roam in Oxford. And it's a really beautiful place to be, to enjoy the actual taste of Oxford, you know. See. And people are very much encouraged here to cycle. Like there are different kind of schemes. Cycle to walk schemes means like if you buy cycle, you get lots of tax benefits. So yeah, those kind of things are there. People are mainly very much encouraged to cycle here, and that's really good. It's really good, honestly. See, this is the open double-decker bus to enjoy the city. It says American black bear. It says please touch. It's a mummy. This is a whale jawbone. Can you just believe it? Look at this big fellow. Wow. Wow. See the actual animal. Wow. Look at this. This is Rex. T-Rex. Shells. Look at the shells. How many type of shells? Ostrich. I'm not sure what animal it is. Giant specimen. Cop. Wow. I've never seen this animal. Come this side. Oops, sorry. See this fish size. Look at this fella. Triceratops. You know, I'm most excited about the dinosaurs. Like I'm feeling like, you know, how the kids will feel seeing the structures. It's like a real life visualization how it looks. Huh? I'm feeling like kids. Excited like kids. And there are so much more things. These are just like the bigger one. See this, guys. So this is, we are in archaeology side. It's like African pottery. And this is American pottery. This is the method of making fire. How nice is it? This is what ceremonial fire making plants. So we just completed the nature museum. This is we just completed the nature museum, and actually our plan was to go to what was that market name? Gloucester Green Market. It's like a you can say like open food street kind of. The problem here is each and everything closes by 5 to 6, by 5 to 6 p.m. So unless until you start soon, it's very difficult to complete. Like, it's very difficult. So we are going to Gloucester Market, and on the way we have Ashmolean. What is that? Ashmolean. What is that? Ashmolean Museum that has like. No, it's Ashmolean Museum, and that has lots of like paintings, mummies, many interesting things. So I want to see that also. Plus, I want to visit that marketplace also. So let's see if we can do it both. We need to go straight. Straight only, I think. So, Anish, how you like the museum?
Museums, many things are that they still can't keep, so that they kept under the toys. So we want to open the toys and see.
It has so many things, and like you cannot, if you are like history enthusiast and you love
No, I'm not
history,
that anything, but I like it.
if you love history and if you love like this kind of this animals, old things and all, then definitely you're gonna love it. And
like making people into interest.
yeah, I'm very much interested in these things. I just started feeling like a kid.
Today is not enough. Today just that.
I just started feeling like a kid after seeing the dinosaur skeleton. You know,
Full family is there.
from childhood I was like seeing this, reading about this. This is the first time I'm seeing something like so original, like visually original. Though we have seen like 3D movies and all, but seeing something with your own eyes, it's so always different feeling.
Uncle, auntie, full family was there.
Whole family was there.
Even the nails also not missed. Everything they collected
Very nicely preserved, and the best part is, you know, you can take videos, you can take photos, and nobody says anything. And people keep the decorum. People keep the decorum. Nobody does anything nonsense, right? So yeah, I think we have to go this side. Just let me see. This is that England's famous Red Booth. So we are going to Ashmolean Museum, guys. If I am pronouncing it wrong, then please pardon me, because I'm not sure whether I'm pronouncing it correct. So what it shows, see here, Ashmolean Museum, right? So yeah, whatever. This is the museum we are going next to. That is in London, not here. Ancient Egypt and Sudan. Okay, this is where I'm more interested. I'm going to see mummy. Can't explain, kind of. Wow. Beautiful. This is the mummies I was talking about. I'm literally shivering, I can't explain. You can see the 4 layer. So outside is the outer layer, and then there is a second layer. This is the mummy cover. The face, the mummy face, what we see normally. This is the mummy inside original, and that is the upper cover, what we see normally. And then there is another wooden, and then there is the upper cover. I don't know if you guys are interested. Yep. Look at this beauty. Yeah. I'm really like feeling something like so many from childhood I'm studying, reading Egypt mummies. I'm seeing today now it's a different feeling. I can't explain. So we came to this Gloucester green market. It's an open market, like see small things, shops, eateries, and we are going to try some food here. I have heard like here all country cuisines will be there. So let's see. I think people started cleaning up. I don't know if you get something or not. This is Tibet store. This is Slovakia. See noodles. Nepalis. So almost outside finished. We are late. So many foods here. Car. Yeah. This is what?
This is honey chicken. So
Yes, just give the... Next time I'm going to buy some momos. It's like home food.
It is not Nepal, Sri Lanka.
Sorry, yeah. Sorry, Sri Lanka. Yeah, it's exactly like home food. This is mix and match with momos and chow meins. We have just made some friend from Tamil Nadu.
I just tell them.
Sorry.
that would be suitable to, you can tag me.
Yeah, sure. I'll do
I'd be
that.
pleased to see.
Sure. We have just bought
So thank you
very
very much.
beautiful brownies over here.
My name is Carol, by the way.
Yeah.
I run a startup for bakery and patisserie.
Sure. Yeah, I'll add it. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. So the day trip finished, and we are now going back to home. We just took bus from Oxford and got down. My phone doesn't have much charge, so that is the reason I could not vlog after that. So from the market, we had something, food, desserts, and started now. And after getting down from bus, we have to walk a little.
Walk
So
a little.
this is how I finished this
Walk a
first
little
vlog.
only our life.
Here we have to walk so much, like walk, that's all.
Walk.
It's not like if you have car, then also you have to walk, because you will park it somewhere, then you will walk. In Oxford you cannot roam with car, you have to park it somewhere and you have to walk, and the parking cost is too high. So yeah, right now we are going to home, and basically that is good for health, and we lost total practice of walking, staying in India, and we were like having car, bikes and everything, and here every time we are walking, shopping, roaming, everything. Okay, now let's finish this vlog here, and I'll meet you in some next vlog doing something else.
Tomorrow Tesco shopping.
Tesco shopping. Okay,
Tesco shopping.
Anish wants to do Tesco shopping video. We have planned tomorrow to go Tesco, do like a big
Sunday many offers are there.
big grocery shopping because month beginning and we almost run out of everything. So my phone was switched off and we are very tired coming back after the whole day of travel, but it was a great day, worth travel, and we've seen so many things, had good food, deserts, everything. So here I finish this vlog, and let me know in the comment section if you want to see any specific video. I'll try to make those. As Anish was telling about Tesco shopping video, I don't know I can make it or not because most of the time our kid doesn't allow us to make videos. But if everything is okay, then we'll try to make one. It will be interesting one. So till then, bye bye and stay happy, stay safe, love you.